Hey everyone, welcome to RGB Web Tech. Have you ever wondered how AI models work? Or maybe you wanted to build your own AI but didn't know where to start? Well, today's your lucky day. In this video, I'll walk you through 6 simple steps to create your very own AI working model even if you are a beginner. Let's dive in. Step 1. Choose a programming language. First things first, you need a programming language. Here are the top choices. Python, best for beginners, easy to learn, tons of AI libraries. R, great for data analysis. Java, good for big projects, like Android apps. Best pick for beginners. Python. It's simple and widely used in AI. Step 2. Select an AI framework. Next, pick an AI framework. These are like toolkits that make building AI easier. Here are the top 3. TensorFlow, best for deep learning. PyTorch, flexible, great for research. Scikit-learn, perfect for beginners in machine learning. If you are just starting, go with Scikit-learn for basic AI models. Step 3. Prepare a dataset. AI learns from data, so you need a good dataset. Here's how. Collect data. Use free datasets from sites like Kaggle or collect your own. Clean data. Remove errors, missing values, and duplicates. Normalize data. Make sure it's in a format your AI can understand. Example, if you are making a spam detector, you'll need thousands of labeled emails, spam versus not spam. Step 4. Build the model. Now, the fun part, building the AI model. Here's how. Pick an algorithm like decision trees or neural networks. Train the model by feeding it data. Adjust settings to improve accuracy. Example, want an AI that predicts house prices? It'll learn from past sales data like location, size, and price. Step 5. Evaluate the model. Before using your AI, test it. Here's how. Split data into 80% training and 20% testing. Check accuracy. Is it making good predictions? Optimize if needed, tweak settings or add more data. Example, if your cat recognition AI is only 50% accurate, it needs more training. Step 6. Deploy the AI model. Finally, launch your AI into the real world. You can add it to an app website using tools like Flask. Host it on the cloud AWS, Google Cloud. Keep improving it with new data. Example, deploy a chatbot on your website to answer customer questions automatically. Now it's your turn. Try making a simple AI model and let me know in the comments what you are building. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech guides. See you in the next video.